Today, we're diving deep into a review of Novotel London Excel, located in Newham, London. Let's find out if this hotel lives up to its reputation and if you should stay there. For booking a stay at the most ideal price, check out the link in the description. At Novotel London Excel, you can be sure to enjoy recreational amenities including a sauna and a fitness center. This hotel also features complimentary wireless internet access, concierge services, and a television in a common area. It has a pretty good location. It's pretty close to Excel Exhibition Center, 3 minutes walk, O2 Arena 38 minutes walk, London Stadium 8 minutes drive, and also close to attractions like Westfield Stratford City 9 minutes drive, Tower of London 10 minutes drive, Tower Bridge 11 minutes drive. Here's what other travelers have to say about this hotel. Such a lovely experience, especially for a last-minute booking. We needed to get to the passport office fast and booked this without having time to look extensively at alternatives. From booking to check-in and onwards, everything about this stay was good. Reception staff friendly and helpful, including help with planning onwards journey. Great bar service, especially Hassan hospitality was great and friendly. I stay with my family tonight at Novotel, nice restaurant and friendly service, and he recommended me few places to visit in London. It was really helpful. Definitely we are coming back again. I'm not one to normally leave reviews, but I was pleasantly surprised by the service I've received on this occasion. Hassan at the bar was very attentive and provided great customer service, something you don't see nowadays. I'm in London quite often, and I'll definitely be coming to stay here again. Now, let's move on to our personal ratings for this hotel, depending on the type of traveler. For families, 7/10, for couples, 9/10, for friend groups, 7/10, for solo travel, 10 out of 10. Here are our overall ratings for this hotel. Location, 8/10, cleanliness, 8/10, service, 7/10, value for money, 7/10. We would definitely recommend this hotel to you, no matter what type of traveler you are. To get the best price for this hotel, make sure you check out the link in the description. Have a nice trip.